Traffic Police has issued a traffic advisory in light of the New Year celebrations taking place on the night of Tuesday, that is December 31. Popular spots like Connaught Place, India Gate and Hauz Khas are expected to see heavy crowds as people gather to welcome the new year. In response, the Delhi Police is taking proactive steps to manage traffic flow and ensure public safety. Personnel and safety measures. To manage the expected surge of vehicles and pedestrians, around 2,500 Delhi Traffic Police personnel will be deployed. In addition, 250 teams will be set up to monitor and prevent drunken driving. The police will also utilize 11 CAPF companies and 40 motorcycle patrol teams supported by foot patrol teams to maintain law and order. Traffic restrictions. Starting at 8 p.m. on New Year's Eve, the police will implement strict traffic control measures around Connaught Place, with restrictions continuing until well after midnight. Vehicles will not be allowed to enter the area beyond key points like Mandi House and Bengali Market. Only vehicles with valid passes will be allowed into the inner, middle or outer circles of Connaught Place. Parking will be limited in several areas including near Gol Dak Khana, Patel Chowk and Mandi House. These locations will operate on a first-come, first-served basis. Unauthorized vehicles parked in restricted zones will be towed and fined. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, that is DMRC, has also issued guidelines noting that no exits will be allowed from the Rajiv Chowk metro station after 9 p.m. Passengers can enter the station until the last train departs, and the rest of the metro network will continue to operate according to its regular timetable. Further, for those heading to New Delhi Railway Station, alternative routes such as Ram Manohar Lohia Park Street, Mandir Marg and Rani Jhansi Road have been suggested. Commuters are encouraged to use the metro to avoid congestion. Additionally, the authorities have advised against using Bhaino Road and Mathura Road between Hazrat Nizamuddin and Pragati Maidan due to possible traffic jams. Therefore, before you step out, do have a look at these traffic restrictions.